Assalamu alaikum. The two Arabic letters Kaf and Qaf are quite confusing because both are pronounced from the main articulation point with a very little difference, but that little difference make a big difference. Welcome to my channel Ever Best Arabic Advisor. If you are learning Arabic, don't forget to subscribe my channel, especially if you are newcomer to my channel. Here you will find bite-sized lessons. You can learn it small size lessons so you can learn it thoroughly. Let's get started toward the video. We understand the difference between kaf and qaf, kaf and qaf through the words. So you learn how to pronounce in the word if the letter comes in the beginning, in the middle, or in the end. Kaf is a light letter and Qaf is a heavy letter. Both are pronounced from the root of the tongue, but Kaf is pronounced when we touch the hard palate. The root of the tongue touch the hard palate, and Qaf is pronounced when the root of our tongue touch the soft palate towards our throat. Qaf, Qaf. The words are kul, 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 Qul. This is also kaf because kaf can be write like this or like this, or you can combine the both like this. But while using kaf as a half shape, this part is used just like over here. This kaf. You must understand it and you must know it before moving to the similar sounding, or before moving toward the words, or moving to the phrases. So your basics of understanding the Arabic alphabet should be very strong. I have made that video already. If you have not watched, you can find the link in the description box and the end screen or in the I button. So must understand, otherwise you will confuse. Ka was written like this, and what is this? This is the same. So move to the letter word. Kul means eat. Kul, light sound. Kul means say, heavy sound. Kul, kalb, kalb, dog. And qalb, heart. I hope you are noticing the difference that just by switching a letter from a heavy to light, the new letter is made, and the new letters can make the new words just like kalb, dog, and qalb is a heart. Difference. Fikra, fiqrah, fikra, idea. Fikra, idea. Fiqrah, paragraph. Fiqrah, paragraph. Al-Iraq, fight. Al-Iraq, you see in the end the same letter comes as it is. It can be like this also in the end, but both are right. Al-Iraq, fight. Al-Iraq, Iraq is a country. Mushrik, mushriq, mushrik, idolater. Mushriq, bright. I hope you are practicing all along with this video with me after me, as I advise you every time. So do practice if you really want to learn Arabic, because only just by looking the video, listening to videos, you can't be pro. You can, if you want this material in a written form, you can visit my page or my website. The link you can find in the description box, where you can find the difference and then these examples with the meanings. Make your notes, learn it, and comment in the comment box what you learned today. See you then, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.